Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today's topic is, are you actually hungry or are you just addicted? Welcome back to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, your daily bite of clarity, healing, and real food wisdom. Sometimes we say we're hungry, but what does that really mean? But what it really means is, I'm bored, I'm stressed, or I want comfort. If you're reaching for food an hour after a full meal, especially something that's crunchy, creamy, or sweet, chances are you're not hungry. You're responding to a trigger, not a need. For instance, commercials in between TV shows. Refined carbs and sugar hijack your dopamine system. They don't satisfy hunger and they fuel your compulsion. So here's today's nugget. If you're not hungry enough to eat meat, you're probably not hungry. One of my clients swore that she needed something sweet after every dinner. But when we dug deeper, it wasn't hunger, it was a ritual. We swapped her evening treat with herbal tea and a walk, and within days, the craving lost its grip. My husband was always wanted cereal before bed, and it was the same thing. It was a ritual. He really didn't need it. So here's your tool. Next time the craving hits, pause and ask, am I physically hungry or am I emotionally triggered? Then give it 10 minutes. That moment of honesty can rewire everything. You don't have to fight your hunger, you just have to understand it. I'll see you tomorrow for another spoonful of truth.